Ang hilig ng ilan sa online games, naging daan nila tungo sa tagumpay. Ganyan ang kwento ng isang developer na utak sa likod ng ilang online game na sikat sa buong mundo. Saksi si Dano Tingkungko.
Game over na raw ang pagsasabing kaka-cellphone mo yan sa mga mahilig mag-online games. Ngayon, GG o good game na dapat dahil hindi na basta pampalipas oras lang ang gaming ngayon, kundi pwede ng pagkakitaan at career. Ayon yan sa creator ng mga sikat na games tulad ng League of Legends, Sims at SimCity na narito sa Pilipinas. Bukod sa paglalaro, pwede ka rin gumawa ng sariling game dahil mas marami na ngayong tools para dyan. Ang kailangan lang, imahinasyon.
Encourage the creativity in young people. I think in today's age, there's so many opportunities that I think early game developers didn't have.
Katunayan, may mga full college course na sa Pilipinas kaugnay ng gaming tulad ng esports management at game design.
If you're young and you have a lot of pressures to do this, like I would really, for the parents, I would say to the parents, the game industry is now a massive industry. It's 3 billion people playing. It's super global. It's larger than film and music and books combined in terms of sales. It's a $250 billion industry.
Sa mga Pinoy na gustong sumabak sa career na yan o bahagi na nito, gustong ipakilala ni Wu ang bagong platform for game creation na dinevelop niya at ibang veteran game creators sa likod ng Street Fighter, Resident Evil at Monster Strike.
The platform just allows you to have more ownership over your assets.
Because it's on chain, it lives forever. Even if developers stop servicing the game, as long as community is there, the service goes on.
At mensahe nila sa mga magulang na nag-aalala pa rin sa kaka-cellphone o kaka-computer ng anak para gawing career ang gaming.
My parents wanted me to be a doctor, and I went into video games, and I think they're very happy now that I went to video games because they can see how happy I am.
Para sa GMA Integrated News, Dano Tingkungko ang inyong saksi.
Mga kapuso, sama-sama tayong maging saksi. Mag-subscribe sa GMA Integrated News sa YouTube at para sa mga kapuso abroad, samahan niyo kami sa GMA Pinoy TV at sa www.gmanews.tv.